Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, guys, that I have been on a hiatus for the past 2 weeks. We have had wisdom teeth extraction, tonsil extraction, and also a sickness. I'm so glad to have you back. Today, we'll be going into CVS for some awesome deals. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what we got. So everything you see here was $5.31. I couldn't believe it. Our total at CVS was over $130 for all these items. Yes, I know we don't have a lot, but prices are going up, and we need to combat inflation by couponing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what to do this. This is the printable breakdown that you can find in the description box. All the items that are labeled in green are glitch items, meaning that maybe a second coupon came off on these items from the CVS app. Just look in the description box for printable breakdown. You can either print it off or just pull it up on your phone when you go in the store. No need to write anything down. All right, guys, it's time to get started at our CVS deals. But in order to do so, I need you to show me some love. Make sure you hit that red subscription box for me, and also that notification bell to all, so you know when all my videos are coming up. Also, join me on Instagram. I put all of my breakdowns on Instagram and also on my Facebook page, so you know when all my visual breakdowns are coming up. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started on these CVS deals for $6.26. So our very first deal, it should be a freebie because it is a glitch. If it doesn't glitch, I'll let you know at the end, but it should be free. So what we're going to do is pick up 2 of these Colgate Optic White Stain Fighters. They're 2 for $9.98 or $4.99 each. Now there is a $3 digital coupon on the app, and there's also a $1 digital coupon on the app. Those 2 coupons should glitch. They should both come off. So that will be $4 of coupons, digital coupons coming off, and then you're going to get back $6 and extra care bucks. So when you do, this is going to be a total freebie. Now, if it doesn't glitch and that $1 coupon does not come off, they'll still be about 49 cents each. Either way, it's a really great deal on this Colgate White, especially because everything is going up. All these prices are higher than I've seen them in a very long time. So this is a great blessing bag item, the Speed Stick. Now, I like to wear the ladies Speed Stick, but my store doesn't currently have any in stock. This is such a great deal. It's kind of sold out. So these Speed Sticks, what I'm going to do is pick up 2 of these. It'll be $6 or $3 each. Now, we do have a 50-cent coupon on the app. There's a 50 cent for the Speed Stick, and there's a 50 cent for the ladies Speed Stick. If you don't have any paper coupons, you can make this a digital deal. If you do have the paper coupons, they are 50 cents. All right, and then so what you're going to do is use 2 of these coupons, get 2 of those deodorants. That'll be $1 off, making it $5, and then you'll get back $3 in extra care bucks, which will make these $2 or $1 each. Now this deal can only be done one time, so it's not a repeat deal on this. But yeah, deodorant for $1 each for my blessing bags. I definitely will pick these up. Now, this is going to be a glitch deal on the Shea hair care products, and I chose to get the ones that are $13.99, which is the leave-in conditioner, because we do use this in our house, but I also wanted to get my threshold above $25 because there is a CRT on the app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up 2 of those at $13.99. Our total is going to be $27.98. We're going to use that $5 coupon that we have in the paper, and then also a $6 manufacturer coupon on the app is also coming off. So both of those are coming off, which makes it a glitch. That's $11 in coupons. In addition to that, we have 2 CRTs. We have a $4 CRT when you spend $25 on shampoo, and then we have a $3 CRT for the Shea Moisture products. So that's $7 in CRTs that are coming back off, and then we're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks, making this a 2-cent moneymaker on this Shea Moisture. Amazing, amazing glitch deal. Make sure you check it out in the printable breakdown for all of those details. So when I started checking this deal out, I was like, okay, is this deal gonna be worth it? Because sometimes, like a long time ago, we could have gotten some of the smaller packages, but these are not attaching to the extra care bucks that we need to get. So what we're gonna have to do is we have to spend $25 on the Nexus shampoo, conditioner, stylers, and we'll get $10 back in extra care bucks. We have this high value $5 coupon that we just got in the paper. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pick up one of these hairsprays because I use their hairspray. It's $20.49, and then I'm going to pick up this conditioner because this is a very good conditioner and I need it. And this is $11.49. Now you can mix and match, you can do whatever you want, but as long as you get to that $25 threshold, you should be good to go. Now at my store, there isn't anything that's really able to put together like a shampoo and conditioner, because if you do, it ends up being like, you know, over $40. So I think that getting something like this with this small one is perfect. So if you wanted to get a shampoo and then one of these, that would work out, and it'll be about $30. So on my printable breakdown, guys, make sure you always check that out so you don't have to write all this stuff down. You can just print it off, or you can just pull it up on your phone in the store. On my printable breakdown, I have it listed for each one that's $15.99. Of course, they're not $15.99, but I just broke it down that way to make it easy for the spreadsheet. So what's going to end up happening after I get the hairspray and the conditioner is going to be $31.98. Now I have two of these $5 coupons I'm going to use, a $5 one on the hairspray and a $5 one on the conditioner. And then we have a $4 off $25 worth of hair care products that will also come off. And then, of course, that $10 and extra care bucks. Okay, making these $7.98 after all that, or less than $4 each. I think this is a great deal because this is $20 hairspray, and I do love this hairspray. So $4 with this Nexus hairspray and conditioner. Like I said, mix and match, figure it out for yourself. But this to me is the best deal. Remember, those small ones do not attach. Guys, we still have plenty more deals to show you, but I just want to thank you for 2,400 subscribers on my channel. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and let's get back to some awesome deals. All right, as you can see, I got 4 packs of razors. I got the Skintimate, the Schick, the Gillette Mach 3, and the Gillette Venus. I got all these razors for about 38 cents each. So I'm going to break it down and show you how to get each of these razors for just 38 cents each. So the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to get the Gillette Mach 3 razors. They're $10.99. When you do that, there is a $3 manufacturer coupon on the app that attaches. So the next thing you're going to do is pick up the Venus Gillette razors. These are also $10.99, but they're buy one, get one 50% off. So both of them are going to be $8.25. The Gillette Mach 3 and the Venus razor is going to be $8.25 after the buy one, get one 50% off, making them $16.50. Now, there is a $3 coupon that is coming off on the app as well with that Gillette Mach 3 and the Gillette Venus. So that's $6 in coupons. In addition to that, you do have the $6 off 30 shave products. And then after you buy both of those razors, you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks. So that's going to be a moneymaker of 50 cents. But we're going to continue with our Schick products in order to use that $6 off 30. So we're continuing with this all digital razor deal. Now it's going to be on the Schick products. So they are 2 for $15. So essentially they're going to be $7.50 each. Now, you're going to pick up one of these Skintimates, and then you're going to pick up one of the men's Schick, and I'll put a picture up there in just a moment. So that's going to be $15 in razors. Then we have a $3 coupon on the app, and we also have a $5 coupon. One will come off for the Schick, and one will come off for the Skintimate. So that's $8 in coupons. After all of that, you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks, making this $2. Because remember, you were able to use that $6 off 30 off shave products. So all your razors in this deal are going to be $1.50 for all 4 packs of razors together. This is a really amazing deal on the razors. So this is a deal I saw posted. I'm not picking this up. This is for the Chicker 2X Power, Chicker, Tick, and all bug bites. This is over there where like the Benadryl and all the different types of bee bug sting stuff. So this is $6.29 at my store. I've seen it cheaper at some other stores, but you'll get $5 extra care bucks, making this just $1.29. Like I said, I'm not picking this up today, but you may want it and need it.
So this copper tone deal is another glitch deal, and it is an awesome one at that. We're going to be getting both packs of this sunscreen for less than $2 each. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up this copper tone. They are $11.79 for the SPF 30, which makes them $23.58. When we get to that $20 threshold, we'll be able to get back $10 in extra care bucks. Now, we're going to use this $5 coupon that we recently got in the paper, but it also glitches, and there is a $2 coupon on your app that's coming off as well. I am so sorry I do not have the picture or the screenshot of that coming off, but the $2 copper tone manufacturer coupon on your app is also coming off in addition to that $5 paper coupon. Then there is a $3 copper tone CRT coming off as well. Like I said before, you're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks, making both of these $3.58 for 2 cans of high price copper tone. Great deal on this item. I just want to share with you that I really do save a lot of money in these videos, but if you were only to save $5 per week on whatever it is you're buying, that's equivalent to $260 at the end of the year. That's how much most of our electric bill costs for 1 month. So I would definitely start saving $5 a week. It's better than saving nothing at all. And think about this video today, guys. We saved $125 this week. If we do that every single week, wow, we'll have so much savings.